Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create smart art in Microsoft Word. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Microsoft Word, and first of all, we need to go to the insert menu and we can go to the smart art. Okay, and you can choose the smart art graphic. You can choose list, process, cycle, or anything that you want. And for me, I'm going to choose, for example, process. I'm going to choose this one, and we can modify the graphic. For example, here you can change the color. I'm going to make it colorful. Okay, then you can type in the text here like this, and you can also change the font. Okay, and the last one, if you want to change the font, you just need to select the text like this and go back to home, and you can choose the font here. You can also change the size of the text. Okay, just like this. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create smart art in Microsoft Word. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye.